Want to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face? It sounds like a dream, right? Passive income, creative freedom, all while staying completely anonymous. Well, it's not a dream. It's called YouTube automation, and today, I am going to give you the complete step-by-step blueprint to start your own successful faceless channel from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to pick a niche, create content, and start earning. So, forget everything you thought you knew about being a YouTuber, because we're about to change the game. First things first, what exactly is YouTube automation? Let's clear this up. It's not about some magic robot that does all the work for you while you sleep. It's a business model. You're the CEO, the strategist, and you build a team or use tools to handle the day-to-day content creation. This means you outsource tasks like script writing, voiceovers, video editing, and thumbnail design. Your job is to manage the process, analyze the data, and steer the ship. The goal is to create a content machine that runs smoothly, frees up your time, and generates income. The automation part is about creating systems, not about pushing a button and getting rich overnight. It takes work upfront, but the long-term payoff can be incredible. Now for the most important decision you'll make: choosing your niche. This can make or break your channel. Don't just chase what's popular, you need to find a niche that has high viewership and is profitable. The best niches often have a high CPM, which means advertisers pay more money to show ads on your videos. Think about topics like personal finance, technology, luxury, health, and history. These are evergreen topics people are always searching for. For example, channels that explain complex financial concepts, review new gadgets, or tell fascinating historical stories do incredibly well without ever showing a face. My advice: go to YouTube and search for top 10 or how to in a niche you're interested in. Look for faceless channels with hundreds of thousands or even millions of views. That's your proof that the niche works. Make a list of at least 10 potential niches, and then we'll narrow it down. Once you have your list, it's time for keyword research. This sounds technical, but it's simple. You need to find out what people are actually searching for. Tools like TubeBuddy or Vdiq are fantastic for this, and they have free versions to get you started. Let's say you're interested in the history niche. Instead of a broad topic like World War II, you'd use a keyword tool to find more specific, high-demand topics like Unsolved Mysteries of World War II or Most Advanced Weapons of the Cold War. These tools show you the search volume and the competition level. You want to find keywords with high search volume and low to medium competition. This is your sweet spot. Finding these golden keywords is like getting a treasure map. It tells you exactly what videos to create to get noticed by the YouTube algorithm and attract viewers who are hungry for your content. Spend a good amount of time on this step. It's the foundation of your entire channel. Alright, you've got your niche and a list of killer video ideas. Now, how do you actually create the videos without being a pro editor or writer? This is where the automation team comes in. You have two main options: hiring freelancers or using AI tools. For a beginner, a mix of both is often the best approach. Let's break down the content creation process into four key parts: script, voiceover, video editing, and thumbnail. First, the script. This is the backbone of your video. You can hire a scriptwriter on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork for a reasonable price. Just give them your video title and a brief outline, and they'll do the rest. Alternatively, you can use AI tools like Jasper or Chat. You can ask the AI to write a 1,500-word script for a YouTube video about the fall of the Roman Empire in an engaging, storytelling style. Always review and edit the AI-generated script to add your own touch and ensure it flows well. A great script is what keeps viewers watching. Next up, the voiceover. A clear, engaging voice is crucial. Again, you can head to Fiverr and find countless talented voiceover artists. Listen to their samples and find a voice that fits the tone of your channel. Prices are very affordable, often starting around $10 to $20 for a full script. If you're on a tight budget or want more control, AI voice generators are getting shockingly good. Tools like Murphy or 11 Labs can create incredibly human-like voiceovers in various styles and accents. You just paste your script, choose a voice, and download the audio file. It's fast, easy, and allows you to produce content at scale. Now for the visual part, video editing. Since you're not on camera, your video will be a compilation of stock footage, images, and motion graphics. Where do you get this content? There are amazing royalty-free stock footage sites like Faceless, Pixabay, and Storyblocks. Storyblocks is a paid subscription but gives you unlimited access to a massive library of high-quality clips, which can be a game changer. A video editor will take your script and voiceover and weave it all together with this footage, adding background music and text animations to make it dynamic and engaging. You can hire an editor on the same platforms, Upwork or Fiverr. Or, if you want to try it yourself, tools like InVideo or Pictory use AI to automatically create videos from your script. You just upload the text, and the AI finds relevant clips and puts them together. It's a great way to start. Finally, the thumbnail. The thumbnail is your video's billboard. It's what makes someone click on your video instead of someone else's. This is not the place to cut corners. A bad thumbnail will kill a great video. I highly recommend hiring a dedicated thumbnail designer from Fiverr. They understand YouTube psychology, what colors, fonts, and images grab attention. Look for designers who show you their portfolio of work for channels in your niche. A small investment of $5 to $10 per thumbnail can make a massive difference in your click-through rate and overall views. Your thumbnail and title work together to sell your video. Make them irresistible. So, let's recap the workflow. Step 1. You do keyword research and decide on a video title. Step 2. You get a script written, either by a freelancer or AI. Step 3. You get a voiceover recorded, again by a freelancer or AI. Step 4. You send the script and voiceover to a video editor who puts it all together with stock footage. Step 5. You have a thumbnail created. Once you have all these pieces, you upload the final video to YouTube, write a keyword-rich description, and hit publish. At first, you'll be managing each step yourself. But as your channel grows and starts making money, you can hire a channel manager to oversee the entire process for you. That's the ultimate goal of YouTube automation, creating a self-sustaining content business. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Your first few videos might not get many views, and that's completely normal. The key is consistency. Aim to publish at least 1 or 2 videos per week. Analyze your data in YouTube Studio. See which videos perform best and make more like them. Double down on what works. Don't get discouraged. Every successful YouTube channel started with 0 subscribers and 0 views. You have the blueprint now. The only thing left to do is to take action. Start today, stay consistent, and you'll be on your way to building your very own YouTube automation empire. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide was helpful. If you got value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on building your online business. Let me know in the comments what niche you're thinking of starting. I'd love to hear it. See you in the next one.